Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you one of the worst scenarios that an iPhone user might have and how to deal with it. Now the scenario that I'm talking about here is that you might have your iPhone with you, you go to a place somewhere, a restaurant or a public place, or even like getting like a car, a taxi somewhere, and you leave that place. You get out of that car, for example, or public transportation, and you leave your iPhone there. The problem is not yet that we can say bad, but the real problem is that you might leave your iPhone there, or even you might not know that exact place, okay? And your iPhone is on silent mode, or we can say silent mode is turned on. Now, if you stay with me, I'm going to show you how to deal with this and solve this one. What I'm talking about here is that we're going to make an automation that will make your iPhone ring even if your iPhone was, last time was set to silent mode. What we need here is that we are going to make the iPhone to turn the silent mode off, which means that you'll be able to call your iPhone using like someone else's iPhone or mobile phone, so that someone finds your iPhone and maybe answer the phone, and then you'll get your iPhone back. So here is what to do. Now open the Shortcuts app, and then now make sure it is on automation and tap on the plus icon on the top right. Tap on message. Tap on that one. Now we are going to keep the sender as like any sender, but for the message contains, tap on choose, and let's write down a phrase or like text when you get it, so that this automation does like what you want. Let me go with like, let's say that ring, then done. Now make sure you tap on run immediately and then next. Now here we are going to create a new shortcut by tapping here, create new shortcut. Tap on that one. And then in the search actions, tap it and search for volume. Once you see volume, tap on set volume here and tap on media and change it to ringtone. After that, make sure you tap on the 50% here and change it to the highest level, which is 100%, and done. And then let's tap on done here, and that's it. Now the automation is ready, guys. Now it says that when I get a message containing ring, and then here, as you can see, it says set volume. So the volume will be set to 100% for the ringtone, not the media. So we're going to test it. I'm going to send a message, and we will see that if the silent mode will be off automatically. The iPhone will do that itself. Now I'm going to text it from the other iPhone next to me. I'm going to send it right now, and let's see. Okay. Now, as you can see, guys, now I got it, and now my iPhone silent mode is off. Now I'm going to lock it, and let's see again if it is still off. Yeah, so it is still off, and I'm going to call this iPhone using the other iPhone here, and I'm gonna lock it for now just to show you guys. Let me see, just hang on for a sec. As you can see, guys, now the ring volume is 100%. You might barely like hear me because my iPhone set the ringtone to 100%. Now guys, that was how my iPhone set the ringtone to 100%, even if the physical button actually was off from here, but you don't care about that. So if you have like that friend who loses iPhone frequently, make sure you send this video to him so that he finds it easily next time. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.